everybody, it's Zeta, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Google Slides aesthetic. Alright, when you're done, you're going to go to Background, Transparent on the rectangle. Then you're going to click on 8 pixels on the border of the rectangle. And you're going to go to Border Color and choose White. And you have to go to the style. I recommend using the lines, the dashes. But if you want to be a little more aesthetic, you can go for the dashes and the dots, or the dots. But I think I'm going to go with the dashes. Then you're going to add a cornered rectangle. And when you do that, you're going to choose white. Then you're going to click on the rectangle, go to Border Color, and click Transparent. Then go to Align, and you're going to choose Center, and make the text 48 or 72. Or if you're going to type a lot, make it not very much because you want enough space. But if you're just going to put like a title or something, you can go small. I'm also changing the font to something I like. Then this is where you can adjust the font size, because I think I'm going to go with 96. Or actually, 48. No, 72. I think. Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna go 60. Then you're going to do Control D on your keyboard and delete everything. And you're gonna go back to Color Padlet, Color Hunt, and you're going to choose another color. I'm gonna go with this one. Now you're gonna insert another one of these corner rectangles and make it a circular this time. And we're gonna change the color of it too. First we need to remove the border. And then we're gonna choose, well, first we need to change the background color. I almost forgot. Then the color we're going to choose, I'm gonna go for this color. You can add your own custom colors if you'd like. And then you're gonna center it and make the text 30. Or 40, whichever one you like. And you're gonna go for a font that you like. I'm going with Coiny. I'm gonna write topic, but you can write anything you want. Then you're gonna go to cute animal stickers, aesthetic, because you want to put a cute animal on your slide. That'll make it look more aesthetic. I think I'm gonna go with this sticker pack. And when you save it, you're gonna want to go to Pixlr, because you might need to make your stickers transparent, because as you can see, they have to be transparent, otherwise it'll show the background on your slides. That's not good. So I'm gonna cut it out.
Thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
Alright, when you're done cutting out all of your stickers, you're going to save it as a transparent PNG. Next, you're going to go back to your slides and you're going to upload those stickers. And when you do that, you're going to crop out to the sticker you want. But if it's just one sticker you chose, then you can skip this part. Next, you're going to add call out, and you're going to go for the oval cutout. And then you might want to change where the bubble, the text goes, you know, the little triangle. And I'm going to choose this font. And you can just write fun fact. I'm going to make that a bit bigger. Then you're going to look for some more stickers. So search up aesthetic stickers on your browser and make sure you put transparent, because you probably do not want to erase the background again. So I'll speed up this part again because this takes a while. Now when you're done with all your stickers, you can insert some of the stickers on the sides that you want. on one of the two slides, and you can, this is the part where you kind of decorate. I think I'm gonna put the strawberry milk here because there's a cow and it would make sense. And if you want to be more aesthetic, you can tilt it a little bit. And if this video hits 1,000 likes, then I'm gonna do a part 2. Bye.